Well, good thing it's in his foot.
Yeah, it looks like it is.
So, is that your actual hook? Yeah.
Where are my pliers? Oh, don't get my other line.
All right, bird rescue right here, boys. Looking really bad in a city park.
It really does. Yeah, I'm gonna just pull him up on here. Don't do that.
Don't do that. All right.
Wait.
I know. I'm not releasing them. I deal with birds a
Just,
lot.
just flip the net up and let him. Don't let him bite you.
That's how you do it.
Yeah.
All right.
Where's my bobber?
The other coot has him.